So someone asked me, if you made some kind of seam tape inside your garment, can you change the artwork on that seam tape, like change the scale of it? So the way I believe this person who asked me this, they created it with the puckering tool. So I'm on the edit puckering tool. I'm going to go ahead and select it. I can see the artwork there, which puckering it is. It's this one. And when we just select the actual puckering line, it doesn't look like we get any options to change the scale of the artwork. So now I'm going to try clicking on the actual pucker that has the artwork. In texture, it has it, but it doesn't have anything in texture really to change the scale here. And it doesn't look like it has, well, let me click this. Desaturation, no. It doesn't really look like it has any, settings to change the artwork scale. Like, if you want to make that just the artwork bigger. And when I click on the little edit, I am on the edit tool. And then I right click, I still don't see. So I don't think you can change the artwork scale in puckering unless you actually change the artwork scale separately. So if you wanted to do something like that, it might be better to not use the puckering tool and instead draft a pattern piece. So I'm just gonna go ahead and delete that guy. So to do that, let's maybe we can do our selection tool. Make my screen a little bit bigger if possible. Okay, keep hitting the space bar when I'm trying to pan. There we go. Okay. So I'll just select this bottom line and I'll just offset it. Let's see if this is a quick, easy way to make a pattern. Offset as internal line. Maybe we want it to be like a 1/4 inch tape wide. I don't want it to extend. Yeah, good. I think I have it all right. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Okay, now maybe I'll use the trace tool to trace out this as a pattern. Well, actually, let me make sure it actually made a, I'm gonna hit extend, trim, and add point to my pattern outline, just in case. So that way, when I click this, this is like 2 separate segments in here. So then I can use my trace tool and select that internal line, hold shift. Oh, I guess I don't have to hold shift. Yeah, I don't have to hold shift. Click, click. I gotta go get my other end. Okay, hold shift up. Apparently this is broken. That's weird. Okay, and then now I can right click, trace as pattern. Maybe I'll place it just right underneath. Okay. And then now instead of having it be denim fabric, let me make this a little bigger. Open up my object browser and property editor. Maybe I'll just grab plain fabric. I mean, it just says, what's this default? I mean, maybe I want cotton canvas, right? Who knows? Okay. So there it is. And then I will get my selection tool to select this pattern piece and drop in my cotton fabric. And then now with my cotton fabric, I'll click that guy. And then I will change the texture to my print that I have. So I'm gonna click that little box, maybe these 4 squares. There we go. I have it under downloads. I called it tape. There it is. Let's see what this looks like now. Okay. Okay, so here we can scale it now. So to scale it, we'd want to use this little tool, edit texture, right? Because it's a texture, so we can edit that guy. And if you click and drag, make sure I'm clicking it. There it goes. Click and drag, you can make the scale of it smaller or bigger up here. So I'm thinking that's probably how you want to do it. And then of course I'd have to go in and actually sew it on the pattern piece. You see it in the 3D window. Right now I only have it in the 2D. But I think to scale the print, that is pretty complicated and they don't include it in the puckering tool. So you just separately make a pattern piece in fabric for it. I guess that's the best way. But if anyone knows of a better way, please do tell.